Hello, welcome to the class of PHP programming language. So today we are going to discuss about how to insert the data in this table. So first of all, starting with the first command, that is adding data to a table. In that we are going to use the insert command. For that, like if I want to add the data to this table, for that I will use the insert into, then I have to give the name of the table, that is counter, and in close bracket I have to write its field name and as well as the values. So like here I am using this command. Here I am writing insert into counter, that is the name of the table, and after that I have write the writer, name, type and year. These are the field of this table, and the values that are given here are, I am given here the John Green, and the name of the book is The Fault in Our Stars, and it is a fiction book and it is released in 2012. So this is the way to add the values or the data to the table. So if you press the enter, then it show that query is okay and one row is affected. Similarly, you can add the number of data to it. So like here I am adding the 5 books name to it. So copy, and here I am using, because it will take times to type these commands, that's why I am copying this command from here. So these commands are written by me, so copy this and now again type here. Oh yes, and this one is the last entry that I want to make in my book, so in my table here. So here I have entered these 5 books names or the writer names in this table. Let's see, to display this table again you have to write here the command, that is select star, that is the object name of this table. From here you have to give the name of the table, that is counter, and now add semicolon to it and press this. So here you can see that in this table it's showing, as earlier this table is empty, like here this table is empty, it's showing only the field names and all other columns are empty. So as you goings on, it's showing the writer, name and type and year of these books as well as the writer names. So this is how we can add the values to the table. After that, the next command associated to this is renaming a table. To how you rename the table. So to rename the table you have to write the command alter, write here table, now the table name, that is the counter, and after that you have to write the rename, and again you have to write the name that you want to give to this table. Like here I want to give this as tab 1 and add semicolon. So now if you want to display this table by using the counter name, it will display a error. So here you have to display this, you have to change the name here, that is tab 1. Now press enter. So here it will show the table, and again change this to, if you want to change this you can write the command again, and here you have to write the alter table tab 1 rename, and here you have to write the name to this. So here I am giving the name as counter again. So here it will alter the name of this table. The next command is we are going to use, that is used for changing the data type of a column. Like we have used the data type, that is varchar and the character. So to change that we can use this command. For that we have to write the alter table counter, counter, name of the table, and here you have to write the modify, and I want to modify the column year, and I want to add the data type as small int. Here I want to use the small integer, and now add the semicolon. So press enter. So here it show that 5 rows are affected because every row will be affected by this, and record is 5. So if you want to see that, you can use the command as describe and then you have to use the table name. Table name is counter. So here you can see that it's showing this year data type name as small int, and it's represented by 6 bytes. Next to its next command we are going to use is the adding new column. If you want to add the new column, for that you have to again use the command that is alter table, and here you have to write the name of the table where you want to add the column. Now you have to write the add. So here I want to add the new column that name as number, new number. So I want to represent this number data type as small integer, small int, and in unsigned form. So press enter. So it will create the new column. To check it, we will write describe counter and press enter. So here you can see that it represents the new column where the number, small integer, unsigned, and this is the way to add the new column to this table. And next one is the renaming a column. So if you want to rename any of the column, for that you have to write the command alter command. So you have to write alter table, next table name that is counter, next you have to write change, and another you have to change. Next you have to write the column which you want to, the row, particular row name which you want to alter. Like here I want to alter the name of the type row. I want to name it as title. Yes, and I represented here its data type, and with data type I'm adding 100 column. So now press semicolon. So here sure these rows are affected. So to see it, describe counter, and you can see that it's showing, you have to write here this command, select star from counter. So here it will show that it's showing this as title of this particular. Here before this, here it is written as type. Now it's showing it title. Like here it is shown as type. Now it's changed the name of this row as title, that is this, and it also added a new column that is the number column. Next to it we are going to use the another command that is removing a column. If you want to remove the column, to remove the column you have to write the command that is alter table. Here you have to write the table name, it is counter, and after that you have to write the drop, and next the column which you want to drop. I want to drop the number column, so I write number, so it will drop the column. So if you want to see the result, you can use this command select star from counter. So you can see that here it delete the new column that we added as number. The next, how to delete a table. So to delete a table, I am creating a new table for that, because we have to use it in this particular table in another commands. So for that, I am creating a table. Like here, I am creating the table name. I have given the name it to as waste. So I have added this table. After that, you want to describe this. So you can use this describe waste. So it will showing the field type, null, key, default, extra, these fields. Next is you want to delete this table. For that, you have to write the drop table, then the table name. So I'm writing it like here. So now if you want to check that this particular table is deleted or not, you have to write the command that is show, and then here you have to write the tables, and now it will show the table that is showing there is only one table named as counter. There is no table named as the waste. So these are the various commands that are associated with MySQL, how to insert the database to these tables. So this is all about MySQL command. Thank you.